Would you believe me if I told you that stress affects every single part of your body? Would you like to know how you can handle the stress? According to Cleveland Clinic, stress is defined as the body's reaction to any change that requires an adjustment or response and how we handle it. Stress is inevitable, but there's ways to avoid it. We need to figure out why it occurs, how it affects us, and what can be done. I'm going to review the occurrences, effects, and coping mechanisms of stress. Why does stress occur? Sometimes college students or high school students are cramming for a test, or they have to complete a project, or there's too many life situations at the moment, or you have deadlines to meet at work. Speaking from personal experience, as a full-time mom and a full-time student, I'm currently dealing with stress. I'm buying and selling a home, and right now it's taking a toll on me, and I do feel the physical impacts. According to a TED Talk by Sharon Horish on how stress affects us, we have stress hormones called cortisol, adrenaline, and norepinephrine. These are created and released by our adrenal glands. They spread and manifest in many ways. Many reasons cause stress, and we need to know how it affects us. You may ask yourself, how does stress affect us? It affects everything: hormonal, physical, emotional, and even our communication with others. Our brain is affected by stress. It sends signals to our bodies. While our adrenal glands release the hormones, these hormones travel down to our heart, which can clog up our arteries and can cause a heart attack or even a stroke. Our brain signals our digestive system, which also causes irritable bowel syndrome, acid reflux, diarrhea. Cortisol increases our appetite, which will cause weight gain. And there's many other effects like acne, hair loss, muscle and nerve tensions, decreased sexual activity. You can become irritable, which can affect our communication with others because we won't like something and we just blurt out anything. Knowing how it affects us, we need to learn how to decrease and manage. How to deal and cope with stress? There's ways to move around it, but sleeping is one of the first things that are nulled out by stress. We believe that the more we study, the more we will learn, but that's actually untrue. We're actually unconsciously hurting our bodies without sleeping. The lack of sleep leads to irritability and stress. We need the 7 hours of sleep because our bodies need to reset in order to start a new day and our body can start fresh. We need to learn to time manage. Sleeping early, waking up early can help us with studying and other things. Exercising. Exercising will allow us to loosen up any types of tensions created by stress. It relieves us and relaxes. Planning out our day. If you create a schedule to help you plan out your day, you might be able to do activities designated throughout the day. It will help you not feel clustered, and these are many ways to relieve stress. But I believe the key things are to sleep, exercise, and eat properly. Because if you don't eat properly, you won't be able to study and you won't be able to do many other things. Stress is dangerous and cannot be ignored. While cramming will not help because our memory fails us. Take a break, hug a tree, absorb the energy from the tree. Now that I've explained how stress leads to a damaged system, go out and do some yoga, exercise, take a break, or create a calendar to help manage your time.